Question number 1 was, write the number names of the following numbers. 6813. Let me put the place values on top, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So here we have 6 under thousands column, 8 under hundreds column, 1 under tens column and 3 under ones column. So the number name will be 6813. B part 7615 and the place values on top. Now here we have 7 under thousands column, 6 under hundreds column, 1 under tens column and 5 under ones column. So the number name will be 7615. Question number 2. Write the numbers in figures. First one, 1243. So for this, I'll place the place value chart and we'll start from the right. Number here we have is 3. So 3 will go in the ones column. After that we have 40. 40 means 4 tens. Under tens we will write 4. 200. 200 means 2 hundreds. Under hundreds column we will write 2. 1000 means 1 under thousands column. This gives us the number 1243. Next one, 9909. We'll start with the ones column. 9 we will put there because last digit is 9. Then we have 900. We don't have an entry for tens. So we will write 0 in the tens column. 900 means 9 hundreds. So under hundreds column we will write 9. 9000 under thousands column we will write 9. Question number 3. Interchange the digits at the thousands and tens place and rewrite the numbers. I had discussed the first one with you. 1 is at the tens place and 5 is at the thousands place. So we have to interchange these places. That is, 1 will come in the thousands place and 5 will come in the tens place. So the number will be 1250. Here we have 7 in the tens place and 9 in the thousands place. We will exchange these digits. The new number formed will be 7394. Question number 4. Rewrite the following numbers by using the digits in the reverse order. First one, 8521. The digit on ones place will go to thousands. The digit on tens place will go to hundreds. The digit on hundreds place will go to tens. And the digit on thousands place will go to ones. 1258. It is basically reading the number backwards from right. B part 3443. If we reverse the digits, again we will get the same number. So this is a magic number. 3443. Question 5. Fill in the missing digits. A part 9523. Let me put the place values on top. Now, in ones place we have 3. So we'll write 3 there. Tens place we have 2. We'll write 2 tens. Hundreds is already entered. In thousands place we'll have 9. So we will write 9 thousands. B part 2547. Let me put the place values on top. Now in ones place we have 7. Under tens column we have 4, so 4 tens. Under hundreds we have 5, so 5 hundreds. Thousands is already written. Question number 6. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Here, let me put the place values on top. Under thousands we have 5, so we will write 5000. Plus, under hundreds we have 2, 200. Plus, under tens we have 1, 10. Plus 6. Similarly, the next one we have 3800. The place values on top, and then first digit from left is 3. So it will be 3000 as it is coming in the thousands column. It will be 3000 plus 800 plus 0 plus 0. You can skip the zeros, but since there were 4 blanks given, that is why I have written the zeros also. Question number 7. Write the following numbers in short form. First one, 9000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. So I put the place values on top. Now from right when we see, we have 1. So under ones we will put 1. Then we have 50, which means 5 tens. Under tens we will put 5. Then 300, so which is 3 hundreds. Under hundreds column we will put 3. And then we have 9000, which means 9 thousands. Under thousands column we will write 9. The next one, here we have 2000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 7. Let me put the place values. Now under ones column we will put 7. We are starting from the right. As we move towards left, after 7 we have 30. So 30 means 3 tens. Under tens column we will write 3. 500, which means 5 hundreds. Under hundreds column we will write 5. And 2000, which means 2 thousands. This brings us to the end of the solutions. Now we will study place value and face value. Example 5073. Now we can write it as 5 thousands, 0 hundreds, 7 tens plus 3 ones. Which means 5000 plus 0 plus 70, 7 tens is 70 plus 3. The place value of 5 is 5000 and the face value of 5 is 5. Another example, 4444. Now this can be written as 4 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 4 ones. Which means in figures if we write, it is 4000 plus 400 plus 40. 4 tens will become 40 plus 4. Now here if you see, the place value of 4 is different in each case. Let us see with the help of a place value chart. Here first 4 we have 4000. Next 4 the place value is 400. Next 4 the place value is 40. And the last 4 which is at ones place value is 4. And the face value remains same irrespective of the position where it is placed. All the 4s will have the same face value as 4. So, I want you to note a number can have different place values, but it will always have the same face value. 4 will always have the face value as 4 only. But depending on the place where it is positioned, its place value can be 4, 40, 400, 4000 and so on. Now let us take another example. 7526. Let me spread it out and write. I'll write the place values on top. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now this means 6 is at ones place. So 6 ones. 2 is at tens place. So 2 tens. 5 is at hundreds place. 5 hundreds. 7 is at thousands place. 7 thousands. Now place values of these digits will be 6, 20, 500 and 7000. And the face value of these digits will be 6, 2, 5 and 7. Now I like to share a tip with you. You have to find the place value of 5, write 5. And then how many digits you have on the right of 5? You have 2 digits in this particular example. So these 2 digits you will convert it into 0. That means 5 followed by 2 zeros. The place value of 5 will be 500. I hope with these examples you have understood the concept of place value and face value. Now let us do a worksheet to enhance our understanding further. Worksheet number 3. Question 1. Arrange the numerals in the place value table. 835 and 4032. Here just keep in mind that you have to start from the right. You will not go wrong. Question number 2. Find the place value of the underlined digits. A part 957, 5 is underlined. B 7841, 8 is underlined. So you have to tell the place value of 5 and 8. Remember the trick method? Write the number and convert all the digits on the right to 0. Question number 3. Find the difference of the place values of 2 6 in 8 6 6 7. So first find the first place value, then find the second place value, subtract and find the answer. Question number 4. Which number has 800s, 4000s, 7 tens and 9 ones? A part 4978, B 8794, C 4879, D 4798. Question number 6. State true or false. A part, the place value of 7 in 7890 is 7890. B, the place value of 0 in 7092 is 100. C, the place value of 2 in 2654 is 2000. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I wish you luck with your worksheet, and until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.